guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Thank you so much for clicking on today's Get Ready With Me. I have this very sexy, smoky Valentine's Day makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this Get Ready With Me. I'm showing you my makeup and I'm also sharing with you guys my outfit. And also this lip combo. It's under $10. It's like the best for lipstick ever. So yeah, that being said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you forget, because I know you guys forget and I forget to ask. So give this video a thumbs up and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I just got out of the shower. I wanted to show you guys my hygiene products that I use for today. It's honestly super simple. I just use 2 products. I just really love the way it makes me feel. I feel like at night, that's when I go in with more products, but in the morning, I just take like a quick little shower sometimes. So I want to show you guys what I'm using for today. Alright, so here are the 2 products I use. They smell really good, you guys, and I love this body wash. I need to go to Walmart and get another one. I actually just went to Walmart this morning and I bought a bunch of new like makeup, so let me know if you guys would like to see a haul from that. But this smells amazing. It's just so delicious. Y después, this is what I have on for body butter. So this is the Red Velvet Cupcake from Skincare. It's a really good brand. Look, that's the website. I'll link it below as well. They sell like handmade items and it just smells like chocolate, and this 2 together just makes you smell really delicious. If you guys would like to know more in depth, like, you know, feminine hygiene things I use, I will link that video below because I did like an updated one like 3 months ago. Alright, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera because you guys know it takes me like 30 minutes. It's just me struggling for 30 minutes straight. And then I have my tea right here that I cannot live without, you guys. It's almond milk with African vanilla tea and then a little bit of honey, and it's just perfect for me because it's not too sweet. So I'm gonna start by doing my eyes. I'm gonna get whatever concealer. I'm gonna use this one, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. When you're doing like neutral eyeshadow, you want to go in with your regular concealer. You don't have to go in with anything too light. So I'm just gonna blend it out, and this is my Kaleidos. I don't know the name of it, but it's just like a fluffy brush. I really like this brand. They have really good eyeshadow. And then for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using my Transition palette from Nyx Cosmetics. I am super excited to be using this with you guys on camera. The packaging is beautiful, and Nyx Cosmetics has such great eyeshadows. It's like the perfect everyday makeup palette, and they're all matte. I also ordered the Honey collection from KW Beauty. I think that's what it's called, the Honey collection. So I'll definitely do like a tutorial using that. I ordered the whole thing because I have no self-control and I'm basic like that. And then I have another basic palette right here. So I'm gonna do something like smoky yet still neutral. So I'm gonna start by taking caramel and toffee, which are these 2 shades here. This is supposed to be a palette that you can use for your face as well. So I'll definitely use some of the shadows for my face. I'm just gonna start by taking my Alamad Cosmetics brush and just apply that here on the crease. I want something like sexy but still really neutral. This is something I would wear if I were to go, you know, on a date. I will wear this, not in the first date. This would be like my 2nd or 3rd date, or when you know he's worth it, you know. I don't know if you guys can tell, my face is so like dry right here where I have eczema. I don't even know, how does eczema even get started, because I never had it. I think I had it in my hands. Remember that my hands always peel ever since I was a kid, and now I guess my face is peeling too. I don't know. Let me know your plans for Valentine's Day, what you guys are going to be doing, if you guys are going to be spending it with your family, or you know, with your partner, with your friends, or just, you know, just a regular day. Let me know. I like Valentine's Day, even though I don't, you know, I don't have like a partner or anything. I still really like the holiday because it's like pink and the reds, and I just love it. It makes me really happy. I like the colors. So then I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush like this, the Morphe M535 brush. You know what, let me use my Laura Lee brushes. So I'm just gonna be taking that shade again and packing it here. I think she can definitely come out with a transition palette too and make it more intense colors for darker skin tones, because I don't think this is gonna work like as a face palette that well for everyone. So she can definitely do like another one, and I feel like that one will be really nice. And I've been really into like honey colors, which is why I ordered the KKW collection. I just love the new like honey mattes. I feel like that hasn't been done before. So I'm just gonna be going in once again with hazelnut, and I'm just gonna keep packing it. These are really easy to blend out in case you guys been eyeing this palette. I don't think it's available at Sephora just yet, but when it is, I do recommend you guys pick it up. I'm gonna grab this brush. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this color called Coffee Beans. I'm just gonna apply this just here as like a liner, but not really. And then for liner, I'm going to be taking my Benefit roller eyeliner in the shade brown. I really like this. Honestly, you guys, I like this palette. Like, I give it a 5 out of 5. I think I'm going to be using it a lot when I don't know what to do with my makeup. This is going to be perfect for that. I'm just going to do a little wing liner. I'm going to be taking, again, those 2 browns. And I'm just going to use that as liner as well. And I'm pretty much just following the liner with the shadow. I'm not gonna add black only because I still want to keep this in the soft glam category. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline Sky High mascara, and I'm just gonna add 1 layer. You guys will see how good this makes my lashes look, and I don't even have lashes. So I'm just gonna apply 1 coat because of course I'm gonna apply some lashes. I think for lashes today, I'm gonna be going in with my KMYNX lashes in the style SA684. I used to call them KMYNX or something like that. It's just KMYNX, you guys. I complicate my whole life. So these are the lashes I'm talking to you guys about. These are in this style, really pretty and wispy. I'll link them below. So I'm gonna apply my Dr. Zenovia. Is that how you say it? This is the Clear Complexion Aloe Vera Blemish Soothing Moisturizer. I got this from Sephora and I really like it so far. It is made for acne prone skin, which you guys know I have, and I like how it moisturizes my skin, but it doesn't like overly moisturize it, you know, like it's just perfect for my oily skin. And then I'm gonna be taking the Marshmallow Primer by NYX. I noticed it's a really good moisturizer. I think it smells really good too, so I like to put it here pretty much around my whole face. I don't think it makes my makeup last a really long time, so it's not like the most mattifying primer, but it does make my makeup look prettier and more even. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes now. Yeah, these are like so pretty. They're wispy, but they're still like small, so they go with my eye. And then I'm gonna apply this one. Like I said, I like to go like this. I look down. I like to bring it like this. And then I put the middle, outer corner, and then the inner corner. And you guys, I wore lashes every single day in high school. Like the last, did I wear the 4? No, I don't think I wore them the 4 full years, but I wore them the last year for sure. I remember like my senior year. Estaba bien loca, you guys. I don't know what I was thinking. It's kind of funny to look back and see like the stuff, you know, that was important to you like back in high school, and then like the difference now, because I could care less about wearing makeup now. I'm gonna be mixing 2 foundations today. I'm gonna mix the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in the shade 330, and this I'm just gonna apply 1 pump. I always get requests to do a review on this, but I already done a whole review and also a wear test. What's happening? Did it get stuck? And then when I apply this, this is a really thick CC cream. For me, it's more like a foundation. I'm just gonna apply a little bit, and then right here, and then I'm gonna mix it with my Lancome Taint Adult Ultra Wear Foundation, and this is in the shade 380. I do want something more long wearing. Let's pretend I'm going to like an actual date, so you know, I want something more long wearing, even though this is just for you guys. And I'm gonna go wash this off because I have nowhere to go, and I already went to Walmart. That's like the only place I go to. Maybe I can go to Target, you know, with this makeup look. But I am moving very soon because as you guys know, this is like a rental. So, you know, it's time for us to move somewhere else. So I'm probably going to be doing like moving vlogs. Let me know if you guys will be into that, because I feel like, you know, nobody really cares. But if you guys want to see more vlogs from me, I can definitely do that. Right, so I'm just going to get a little bit more and apply it right here. I recently like had like a pimple there and I started messing with it, so now I have a dark spot, but that's fine because I know it's gonna go away. I'm just gonna dab it in right there, wait for it to get a little bit harder and drier, so like that the coverage stays there. And then for concealer, I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer and apply that underneath the eye area. I might even mix it with my Dior Forever Skin Concealer in the shade 3W, or no, 2W. I've been really liking this concealer. You see, it's like the perfect neutral olive shade. It is super expensive though, so I would say wait till Sephora has a 50% off sale. I mean a 50% off sale. I don't even know what I'm thinking. Wait till Sephora has like a 20% off and then buy it. Imagine Sephora having a 50% off. Everything will be gone in like seconds. But that's like the sale I need. I'm gonna go in with some setting powder. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Pound Cake setting powder. Make sure your lips are super moisturized, by the way. At night, like, apply the whole container of lip moisturizer so your lips look good. I'm just kidding, don't apply the whole thing, but apply a lot so you're ready for the red lip. And this powder, I forgot how good this is. I'm gonna be doing a makeup, what is it called, shop my stash. I have to put everything in boxes so I can see what I have. And this powder, it's really nice. It just has fragrance. For the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Powder in the shade Golden Beige. And I like to grab my sponge and I like to, you see this color is like, it's like gray on me. I don't know why. Remember I showed you guys this a while ago and I told you I was trying to find like a good shade, but I just feel like this is just like gray. So I'm just gonna take my Fenty Beauty in the shade 310. Either way, this Fenty Beauty powder and this L'Oreal are like exactly the same, except this is cruelty free, it's vegan, and it also has like 50 shades. So Fenty wins, but the price on the other one is a lot more affordable. So if you guys can find your shade, then I will highly recommend that other powder. But I just cannot find my shade because I bought another one too, and that one is just too light or too gray too. So if you guys are my foundation twins, let me know what shade I should get. And then remember, you can use this palette for your face. So I'm gonna be using this color right here. Let's see if that's true. Oh wow, this is actually a pretty bronzer. I'm just gonna apply it here. I still like to use my own bronzers. I feel like that's better. I did pick this up from Walmart today. This is the Milani, what is it called? All-Inclusive Eye, Cheek, and Face Palette in the shade Medium. I feel like this is perfect for Valentine's too if you want to stick with the more pinks. Here you have like shadows, blush, and then highlighter, and then the bronzer. So I'm just going to be going in with this one. This brush is perfect because it's so small. I'm just going to put that around the whole face. It's a really nice like warm tone color. Go ahead and finish my eyes super quickly. So I'm just gonna be taking these two colors here and blend that out. I just want this to look like just messy but matte. Then I'm gonna take this color, Hazelnut, and I'm gonna apply that in the lower lash line as well. And make sure you guys do this with a fluffy brush like this one. This is the Morphe M321, and I feel like it's perfect for the lower lash line because it doesn't like poke your eye. And then I'm gonna be taking this color right here in Frothy, and I'm just gonna use that as inner corner highlighter. Before I apply my setting powder underneath my eye area, I'm going to take my Milani bronzer in 03. This is the only bronzer I like to use on my nose. Sometimes I use other ones, but I feel like this one is just like the best for nose contouring, and I've been using it for like 2 years, I think. You can also sometimes, if you find yourself like you're not liking your nose contour, I feel like what makes a really good nose contour is concealer. So I like to grab just a little bit of concealer, and then I like to put it here on the bridge of the nose, and this will just elevate your nose contouring game. So you can do a nude lip. I did buy the whole cherry collection, the cherry mattes. I bought the whole nude collection, but today we're doing a bold lip. So like I said, you can do a nude lip or you can do a bold lip. It depends, you know, on the situation. So I'm going to be taking 2 NYX lip liners. These are the matte lip liners in the shade Spicy, and then I'm also going to be using Girl Bye. So I'm gonna apply Girl Bye first, and then I'll go in with Spicy. When you're doing a red lip, you want to make sure you have a mirror up close and not like afar. You want to have one here and then here so you can, like, you know, look. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Spicy. This is like the best red lip you guys could ever buy. It's such a beautiful rich red. Like, it just doesn't make you look like a payasa. It makes you look really, really nice. So I'm gonna put this on. I really, really like it. It is super matte, so make sure, like I said, use the whole container of lip balm the night before so you're prepared for today. So I'm gonna apply this. It's just like the best red, I'm telling you. I'm gonna grab a little bit more bronzer. I'm just gonna apply it, and even as blush. So I did get this one from Fenty Cosmetics in the shade Terracotta, and it's exactly that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. This is highly pigmented. So I'm just gonna get a little bit and then apply it here, going away from the face. I'm trying to decide which scent I want to wear today. I think because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to be using this one right here. No, you know what? No, not this one, because this one smells really fruity. I'm going to use this one from KKW Beauty. I think it's just called the Gold perfume. It smells very clean. This one's like the most woman luxurious scent, if that makes sense. This one is more like teenager and like college student type of vibe. I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day too. So for jewelry today, I'm wearing my Amazon earrings, and then I'm also wearing my Etsy necklace and my Etsy bracelet. And then this is the dress I'm wearing for today. This is actually from my outfit online. It's like the prettiest dress ever. They have like the best fabric for, not like I would say like the most affordable, but it's nice quality and it will last you a long time. And it's also like super smooth, and it's just like, it's like a faja and a dress all in one. I really, really enjoy it. So yeah, that is my outfit, my Valentine's Day inspired outfit. And then I will personally wear it with some nude heels. I feel like it will look really cute. So you can wear that, or you can also wear like a cute corset top with some mom jeans. I feel like that's still casual yet still like, you know, Valentine's Day-ish. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really, really love the products I use. I feel like my makeup looks really good. I also did drag the foundation down to my chest, so hopefully everything is looking good. But yeah guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. I'll have everything listed below as well, so you guys can go and check out the products. I really, really loved all the products on my face. I really like the palette, and go get you this lip combo and then thank me later. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys, I don't know why I went like that, on the next video. Bye guys.